DJ with a laptop. We're going to first do a PC, and probably in the second video we're going to do a Mac so everybody can see how it works. It's really simple. We're going to start off as basic as possible, and then we'll get a little bit fancier with controllers. So let's start. A headphone jack, which is an output, and a mic jack to your right, which is an input jack. Below that you'll see an SD card slot. To your right you'll see two USB slots. To the right of that you'll see a FireWire slot. So today we're going to take the first way to get audio from the laptop to a mixer is with a 1/8 inch jack. I'm going to plug it into the headphone. You can see that's what that looks like. On the other end, we want to get to the back of the mixer. We're going to select CD on the mixer instead of the phono or the line, which is for your record player. And what the 1/8 inch jack does is it splits it into a left and a right. So you have your right and your left channel. And we're going to pick the CD for the red, match it to the red, and the white. And there you go. You now have plugged in your laptop to the back of your mixer. Let's zoom in on the mixer here. Your main left and right will go out to your amplifier, and if you want to plug in another laptop or another CD player, record player, anything else, you have another line. That's 1 and 2, and you can switch between phono and line. Now you've seen how easy it is to plug a laptop directly into a mixer. It's a no-brainer. Anybody can do it. It's like plugging in any external device with a 1/8 inch jack. So the next step, or the next problem that you want to correct, is the quality of the audio coming out of your computer. The built-in headphone jack was really never meant to play high-quality audio, which is what you want to do when you're playing from your laptop to an external mixer. You want to try to get that quality as high as you can. So Numark came out with this is called the DJI-O, and if you take a look at it, you can see the different. Turn that over. You've got your output 1 here, your output 2 here, and you've got a left and a right, left and a right. So what we're going to do is take this USB device, plug it directly into the laptop, so your sound will be coming through here, and you can output it through here or through here. You have two channels to output it through. And what this is good for a DJ is to be able to queue up your songs. This will be your live song playing, and you can take this and hit your cue button on your mixer and queue up your next song. You can listen to what's playing on the other channel. Whereas the other direction, there was no way to queue up your songs. So this corrects the problem of splitting up your channels. On the other side, what they did was they actually took a headphone here, so you can plug in your headphones, cue, and then they actually put a mic, so you can plug in a mic and talk out to the rest of the crowd. Then they have a mic volume here. Now, it doesn't require a power, but they did put one in there. I highly recommend using this power device. If your laptop goes into sleep mode or it tries to shut off, the first thing it shuts off is your USB power, which shuts off your sound. I've seen this happen, so I would suggest using this, and make sure your settings on your laptop are correct so that it doesn't shut off. So let's show you how this plugs in. Everything looks like once we have all the cables plugged in. So let's review once again. You have your laptop. This is where your sound is coming from your mixing software. In the mixing software, there'll be an option to use the ASIO driver, ASIO. The ASIO driver is going to split the sound into two channels. So if you can imagine two songs coming out of the USB port, going into the back of the Numark right here. This is where your two songs are playing. And then we're going to send one song here and the other song here, and let's send it to the back of the mixer. So it'll come in one channel here, the other channel here. So now once I have those two songs playing, I can use my fader to fade to the left or fade to the right. And I can also hit my Q button to listen to the song playing, to fade over left or right. And there you see the headphones. Either the mixer will handle the headphones in the front, or the DJI-O will handle the mixer, or handle the headphones, excuse me. So let's take a look at the front. Okay, this is the front of the PV mixer. You have your fader, left and right. This is the key here, your Q channel. You can set it to the middle, channel 2, or channel 1. And we're going to take our headphones and plug them in directly to the mixer. There you go. And since we've split the signal coming out of the laptop to the left and the right, that means this song is playing here, this song is playing here. And you can now mix back and forth. There's also a mic built onto here, your XLR input, and like I said, there's also a mic straight into here. So they've made it where if you want to run straight to your amp from here, that you can eliminate the mixer pretty much, because you've got your headphones and your mic here and your mic volume here. So this is just a way to do it, but I prefer to have the mixer so you can have a fader in between and you're not using your mouse on the laptop, and we'll get into that in a later video. So that's pretty much it. We'll go ahead and take a look at a controller, how a controller works with the PC, and then we'll get into software later. But this is just a sample of the hardware and the wiring required to run on a PC laptop. Okay, now we have the laptop on. We have the Numark DJI-O. You can see you've got power now. It's getting its power from the USB port, which is plugged into the side of the laptop. So there's no power plugged in to help it out. It relies strictly on the power of the laptop. Okay, so let's load up a song. Got a song loaded up. Hit play. You can hear the song playing, but it's playing through the mic. Through the laptop speakers. So we'll go ahead and hit pause. So we want to output the sound now back through here. So we have to go until Virtual DJ to send all its sound back through the Numark. Inside of the config, you'll see a input, output, a sound card, and you want to change your output to headphones. And your sound card, you want to select the ASIO driver. And we're going to select the Numark USB audio device, and we're also going to tell to send the master channel 1 and 2 and the headphones 3 and 4. Since we've only got 2 channels, we'll be able to hear or queue up music on one channel while the master's playing on another channel. So
visit the website PrinceMusicVideos.com. Join the Ultimate Prince fan club, showing the latest news, updates, and all his music videos from today and yesterday. Again, that website, PrinceMusicVideos.com. That's PrinceMusicVideos.com. That's the great thing about music and videos, is that you can keep the memories alive. Again, that website, PrinceMusicVideos.com. PrinceMusicVideos.com. Go visit and check it out now.